Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, you are welcome, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is about home refresh. I'm doing some light but satisfying cleaning to reset my space and make the space feel fresh again. I started by cleaning my wall arts and the main door, just wiping everything down by using a dishwashing soap and a clean cloth. It is such a simple step, but it really makes a difference, and it instantly brightens the space. After that, I vacuumed my seats and carpet to remove dust and make everything feel clean and cozy. I really love how refreshing it feels when the floor and sitting area is done. Then I wipe down my TV stand and my coffee table, making sure everything is neat and dust free. This kind of cleaning always makes me feel more relaxed and peaceful at home. I hope this video motivates you to do a little reset in your own space, even if it's just one small thing. Please enjoy the rest of the cleaning with music, and also please like this video so that my videos will be suggested and recommended to more viewers. And also subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your notification bells because I'll be continuing with vlogmas series until day 25th. That's it guys. Please enjoy.